Welcome, today in front of me Amazon Fire 7, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch from triple tap to the power key button. So now by triple tap to power key we can activate the camera application. Now we can switch the switcher, so just click here into the settings, scroll down to the accessibility and then tap to accessibility shortcut, and now just switch it, for example here to just toggle the high contrast test, for example to display closed captioning settings. And now just by triple click here, so we can see here our just text settings on our device. Also we can switch it here to one from this, for example to color inversion or just to high contrast test. Now it's activated, and now we just turn it off. Also we can click here to large the font size here, so as you can see, and also we can switch it to the default. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.